In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a basic WordPress website quickly. We'll focus on getting a solid foundation online fast by using pre-built tools and a streamlined setup, so you can start publishing without waiting weeks. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. First, secure your hosting and domain. Pick a reputable web host that explicitly supports WordPress and offers an easy, one-click installer. Look for plans that include an SSL certificate, automatic updates, and reliable support. This makes setup smoother and keeps your site secure from day one. Next, choose a domain name that's short, memorable, and relevant to what you do. If your brand name is taken, try simple variations or a suitable domain extension. You can buy the domain through your host for convenience, or through a separate registrar if you prefer. If you register the domain elsewhere, your host will provide instructions to connect it, usually by updating nameservers, so visitors land on your new site correctly. With hosting and a domain ready, install WordPress. The fastest path is the one-click installation inside your hosting control panel, often called cPanel or a similar dashboard. Find the WordPress installer, select your domain, and accept the default settings unless you have a reason to change them. The tool will create the database, set up core files, and prepare your login. In a minute or two, you'll be able to visit your domain and see the default WordPress homepage. During setup, avoid using a generic admin username and choose a strong password to protect your site. If one click isn't available, no problem, you can install manually. Download the latest WordPress package from the official website, then upload the files to your hosting account using the file manager or an FTP client. Create a new MySQL database and user in your hosting control panel and note the database name, username, and host. Open the wp-config sample.php file, add those database details, and save it as wp-config.php. Once the files are in place, visit your domain in a browser and follow the on-screen installer to finish setup. At this point you have a functional WordPress foundation. Log into the dashboard, confirm your site title and time zone, and make your first post to test everything. From here, you can add a theme and essential plugins when you have time, but the key achievement is that your site is live and ready to grow. Keep a record of your login URL and make regular backups. Before you share the link, turn on the free SSL certificate in your hosting panel so your site loads over HTTPS, and choose a strong admin password to keep it secure. That's all you need to get a fast, clean start with WordPress. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.